March 27, 1977, Tenerife Airport. Something is about to happen that will change aviation forever. KLM Flight 4805, a jumbo jet, is preparing to depart from Amsterdam's Schiphol Airport. Across the ocean, Pan Am Flight 1736 is also on its journey, leaving Los Angeles, heading to JFK, then onward to Las Palmas. The plane is full, mostly elderly passengers excited for their cruise in the Canary Islands. Both aircraft are scheduled to land at Las Palmas, but that plan is about to change. A bomb explodes at Las Palmas Airport. The terminal is evacuated. Airspace is closed. All incoming flights are diverted to a much smaller airfield, Tenerife North. KLM lands first. Pan Am lands shortly after. The airport is suddenly overwhelmed with wide-body jets, more than it's ever handled. Then the fog starts to descend, fast. Visibility drops from kilometers to mere meters. KLM decides to refuel at Tenerife, blocking the narrow taxiway for nearly an hour. Pan Am is forced to wait. Eventually, both sets of passengers reboard. KLM's aircraft is heavy with fuel. Pan Am's elderly tourists settle back in, but now the weather is worse than before. With the apron jammed, the tower instructs KLM to taxi directly on the runway for departure. Pan Am is told to follow and exit before KLM turns to take off. In the fog, Pan Am misses the exit C3. At the end of the runway, KLM turns around, ready for takeoff. In the cockpit, the crew receives a long message from the tower, but no explicit clearance to take off. Still, the captain believes he's been cleared. At that same moment, Pan Am transmits,
"And we are on the runway."
The two transmissions overlap. KLM never hears Pan Am's warning. The captain pushes the throttles forward. Through the fog, the KLM jet begins its takeoff roll. Its lights cutting through the whiteout as it accelerates. Back in the Pan Am cockpit, the crew sees headlights. At first, they assume it's a stationary plane. Then, realization hits. KLM is coming fast. There's no room to turn, no time to escape. Meanwhile, Pan Am is still taxiing across the runway. In seconds, the KLM 747 strikes. Its wing tears through Pan Am's fuselage. The forward section is destroyed. Inside Pan Am's cockpit, glass shatters, metal twists inward. Then, fire. The entire runway erupts. A massive explosion lights up the fog. Out of 583 people, only 61 survive, most of them from the rear of the Pan Am aircraft. The deadliest accident in aviation history was caused not by systems or weather, but by human miscommunication.